Fred's house. We've travelled today from Cambridge, where we live, but we are half Welsh here, you know? 1, 2, you can spot them. That song was called I'm Not Saying. We're going to do a song for you now called Wrong Time. And both these songs are on our EP, which we released about a year ago. This one's written by Lachlan, who is the New Zealander on the end. Here we go.
You caught me by surprise. You put the nerves right into me. You looked at me like I was the mirror on your bedroom wall. Being hit by the flood, there's no use in second guessing. Now I'm on my knees, hoping you won't turn me down. You know I really wasn't looking for something like this. Got plenty of problems, been broken up and need to get fixed. I don't believe in fate, but if I did, I'd be cursing it right now. Cause you and I are meant to be, I guess we'll work it out somehow. It seems love ain't right, my dear. It came along at the wrong damn time of year. We're looking for each other and other things to do, but you and I together, well, there's nothing we can't get through. It seems love ain't right, my dear. It came along at the wrong damn time of year. We're looking for each other, had other things to do,
So, are you pleased the sun finally came out?
Yeah.
Oh, it's lush.
Yeah, there's a line in this about the sun coming out. Hopefully it's relevant.
Yes.
In my life, there's no time to slow down. One mistake and they'll take us to town, and we lose everything that we've worked so hard for. I got stuck in a smoky haze, never sure what to do with my days, but I had all the fun that I was ever going to. But oh my Lord, I saw your face in the water, darling. Then the clouds got blown away. Then in the sun, I swore that you were running to me, but I get scared. You run away. A lot just to get out of bed. Got too much stuff going on in my head, but hold that thought, then move on to the next one. People talk, the few of them know how it's a joke that we're all getting old, but write it down and see if we're still laughing. But oh my Lord, I saw your face in the water, darling. Then the clouds got blown away. Then in the sun, I swore that you were running to me, but I get scared and run away. In my life, there's no time to slow down. One mistake and they'll take us to town, and we lose everything that we worked so hard for. But oh my Lord, I saw your face in the water, darling. Then the clouds got blown away. Then in the sun, I swore that you were running to me, but I get scared. You'll run away.
Thank you. Do you want to hear one you know? I don't think they mind this lot, do they? They're very quiet here in Wales. That's not what he told me. All right, we'll sing one you know. This is a famous Beatles tune. I will encourage you to sing along if you know the words. Just in case I forget them. Here we go.
once had me. She showed me her room. Wasn't it good? Norwegian wood. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on her rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. We talked until 2, and then she said, "It's time for bed." She told me she worked in the morning and started to laugh. I told her I didn't and crawled out to sleep in the bath. And when I awoke, I was alone. This bird had flown. So I lit a fire. Isn't it good? Norwegian wood.
We didn't write that one. That was by the Beatles. We're going to do some of our own material again now. We're Fred's House, if you've just joined us. We're half Welsh, quarter English, and a quarter New Zealander. New Zealandish. I don't know what you say. Here we go. It's lovely to be here in the Wales Millennium Centre. Thank you for having us. We're having a bit of a fight over what we're going to do now. Let's do Keep It Chilled. We'll do this one. It's called Too Late to Go Home. And it's a new one. It will be on our album, hopefully at the end of the year. Here we go.
It's the end of the summer, and we've barely begun. I had no idea it was this long a run. So why are we still running? Let's just both settle down. Live life in the bubble, but I don't know how. It's too late to go home. It's too soon to leave, I know. It's too late to go home. Can't we just stay? Can't we just stay?
So why are we still waiting after all that we said? Very few questions even enter my head. As long as we're happy, let's not drift from the plan. Can we stay at the party where the music began? Oh,
It's too late to go home. It's too soon to leave, I know.
Thank you very much. Who's in the mood for a party then? Yeah, one. It's good. Here we go. Gonna rock it up a little bit now. Just so we can say that we've rocked Wales Millennium Centre.
I don't understand what you don't understand. I'm not saying it in black and white. If you can get your hands on it, I'll be laughing when you slip, but I won't stick around for the fight. There's a lot of villains in your neighborhood, and if you try and stop them, you're a fool. That's a job for Superman. If he can do it, no one can. Sticking up for you is not my style. This is not a song about me and you. Me and I can't venture it if I don't know. This is the looking glass that I have found. Searching for a vision, I think I'm dreaming. Monday morning, I'm getting up for work with all my legs and all my arms and everything that I've become. It's not so mad to go berserk. Change the channel Saturday night. I'm listening, I don't hear a thing. Put your hands up if you dance, or you're falling into quick romance. Oh, somebody set me free. This is not a song about me and you. Me and you. I can't venture it if I don't know. This is the looking glass that I have found. Searching for a vision, I think I'm dreaming. This is not a song about me and you. Me and you. I can't venture it if I don't know. This is the looking glass that I have found. Searching for a vision, I think I'm dreaming. This is not a song about me and you. Me and you. I can't venture it if I don't know. This is the looking glass that I have found. Searching for a vision, I think I'm dreaming. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you very much. Why don't we do the last thing I wanted? Okay, so the one you've just heard is called Looking Glass, which actually is the title track of our EP that we've got with us today. Woo! It's just over at this side. We'll take this opportunity to be shameless. So if you do want to purchase a copy of that, just come and have a chat with us afterwards. And we've also got a mailing list and free badges, so do come and sign up and keep up to date and see when we're back in Cardiff. Okay, this is another song from this EP. It's called Last Thing I Wanted. Here we go. You smiled and you said nothing is perfect, nothing is worth it. That's what you said. And some people who said can grow 5,000 roses, all in a day, but still they don't find it. I didn't know you were unhappy. You risk it all when you are tamed. All I ever wanted was for you to love me. People have scars, but some they are guides. For some they are problems, for others just lies. But for me they are gold, shimmering silent, alone in the darkness. Just look at the sky. I didn't know you were unhappy. And you risk it all when you are tamed. The last thing I wanted was for you to hate me. Just look at the sky. 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 Thanks very much indeed. We are going to do another cover now, but it might not be one you've heard of. It's by an artist called John Grant. He's a singer-songwriter from Denver in America, and this is his song. We usually, when we're on our way to gigs, he's one of our favourite CDs to play in the car. He keeps us company on our journey, and he gives us musical inspiration. If you have a chance, check him out. He's really, really great. It's called John Grant. This is his song, Mars. Okay, so this is the real shameless part. We released a single this week on iTunes. Oh yes. So ladies and gentlemen, take a note wherever you need to now. If you've got one of your iPhone thingies, you know, you could even download it now probably. I don't know, I'm not that technical. But it's called Fine Life, and we're called Fred's House. So check it out, I hope you like it. We've got a video and everything on YouTube as well, so do go have a look at that. It's available now. We use a banjo on this one, so he's just having a little tune up. They're very hard to tune, banjos are. Here we go. This is Fine Life. Wake up, put some coffee in my cup. Always one more day, but everybody's gotta pay their way. 'Cause if I'm not a poet, just a number, putting one foot in front of the other. Won't you please allow me something to hold? It's a fine life, living for a good time, living on the breadline, that's just how we roll. And we pretend every single weekend It's out now, available to download. Fine Life, and we are Fred's House. Thank you very much. I think we've got time for maybe one or two more. I don't think they mind if we just carry on. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you. Sign up to our mailing list. Badges, they're free. Take them. Take them.
Take a badge.
Take a badge.
We're one in the ghost. Go on.
Yeah. Are you all here to see Ghost? Yeah. Ah, 2 people here to see us. 3. Thanks, Johnny. Oh, bless you all for listening. Thank you very much. Okay. Oh, this is a brand new one. It's hardly ever been heard before. It's called Closer. And it's about when you love someone so much that no matter what they did, you would forgive them and you'd love them anyway. So this is Closer. Written by this sap over here. You don't wanna go outside again. I know you don't wanna see the light just having a retune. For those of you walking through, we're Fred's house. If you like what you hear, we do have a CD for sale, and it's just over there on the little table. It's only a £5. This is a song about a man who decided he was going to win a marathon. Now, this is a true story. In actual fact, he came third in this marathon because he decided to catch a bus, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marathon Man.
Tired of the run, waiting for the bus to come. Lately it seems winning all is just a dream. Who'll even know I'm just too slow? Can't get away. Who'll even know I'm just too slow? Can't get away. Tried all my life, play the game I'm supposed to play. Age takes its toll. Just admit you're getting old. Who'll even know I'm just too slow? Can't get away. Who'll even know I'm just too slow? Can't get away. Don't look now, your world's on fire. Take me on down to the finish line. I can't go any faster. Don't look now, your world's on fire. Take me on down to the finish line. I can't go any faster. Don't look down, world's on fire. Take me on down to the finish line. I can't go any faster. I can't go any faster. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. We're going to sing one more. I can tell you're already getting ready for the show. Thanks so much for listening to us. We're Fred's House. We've got Facebook. Please find us and like us. And check out our website as well with all our videos, live dates, and all our latest news on there. Thanks ever so much. This is our last song. It's called Beautiful You. Buy the CD, sign up to the mailing list, and get a badge, because they're free. Hope you've had a nice afternoon. Take care. Thank you. 2, 3, 4. Rain beating down, hear the sound of the pavement. You looked at me, you could see I was silent. I didn't mind at the time, I just met you. And then again I could sense there was something you
In a way, it was charming me. I was blind, couldn't find the words to say, but I saw you. I saw you. Only I saw you. You told me again we were friends and just playing. I held my breath. I confess I'd be lying if I wasn't scared of the thought of getting it wrong. But all along, it was you. So young, she's someone's daughter, he's someone else's son. A kiss on the cheek while they're jumping over cracks. 1 foot out of place and they'll break their mothers' backs. They're not the first, and sure won't be the last. Another broken story, each a lover in their past. The first has the worst, with innocence to blame. Once the heart is broken, it will never be the same. Fa la 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 la, 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 fa la Thank you very much. We're Fred's House. Take care. Thank you.